Hello lovelies, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this soft, creamy and fluffy looking hair butter cream. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Over here are the ingredients that I'll be using. I have my shea butter, beeswax, stearic acid, glycerin, oils and essential oils. I'm going to make use of all these ingredients. So to get started, I'll be sanitizing my working space and also my utensils. My working utensils and working space. This is very important, guys, especially if you are selling this. Anytime you are making any skincare products, sanitizing with alcohol is very important, so don't skip this step. Okay, here I have my recipe book here with me to know the percentage of each product that I'll be making use of. So I'll be starting with the shea butter, okay, because that's the base of this recipe. I will start with weighing my shea butter. I'll try and leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description area. Okay, feel free to check it out. Lovelies, don't forget to smash on the like button. That will really mean a lot. Okay, thank you. And now the next ingredient, that's my coconut oil. Yes, I'm going to weigh out the coconut oil the way I did with the shea butter. As I said earlier, all the ingredients and the percentage I'm using will be in the description down below. I'll try and put that there in case I do not forget. And here is the next ingredient, which is the beeswax. Okay, weigh out the beeswax. And here comes the stearic acid. I'm going to take the measurements too. Guys, this is for sale, okay? That's why I'm making it extraordinary. So you are free to reduce your ingredients. It's not by force to use all what I'm using, okay? You can choose to use, if you get your shea butter and olive oil, you can whip up your buttercream and you are good to go. Okay, this is for sale and I decide to make it extra rich, you understand? So that's why I'm using a lot of ingredients here, because I want to get the benefits from each oil. Okay, in this recipe I used avocado oil, flaxseed oil, hempseed oil, glycerin, yes, almond oil, a lot, castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil. You see, I made use of everything in small quantities. Okay, I'll try and put everything in the description area as I said earlier. Okay, so let me just leave you to watch what I'm doing, and don't forget to check out the description area. I'm done adding all the ingredients, so it's time to melt it down. So I'm using the double boiler method. Okay, I'll place this on another pot, hot water. You can see the oil, the butters are already melting down. So I'll leave it to melt down completely. Okay. is my melted ingredient, so I'm going to bring it down and allow it to cool. So it has cooled down a little bit, so I'm going to put this into the fridge, okay, to solidify it a little bit, not too much, for easy whipping. While I'm waiting for my oil to solidify, I'll go ahead and sterilize my storage container. As I said earlier, this is for sale, okay? Sterilizing your working space and your equipment is very important, especially when you are selling skincare, any skincare product, okay? After some minutes in the fridge, this is how my oil is looking like. It has solidified a little bit, so it's time to whip and whisk this into a fluffy butter. So continue watching to see how this will turn out. At this stage, it's time for me to add my vitamin E oil and essential oils, and that's what you see me doing. I'll add everything, then I will whip it more for the very last time to mix everything together and incorporate very well. The hair butter cream is ready and it's time for me to package it. Thank you all for watching this video till this point. Remember to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it out, and also don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time coming across my channel. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed and bye.